Ayaw niya pala ng Honda Civic. Gusto niya Tesla. Oh! Uwi na natin to. That's crazy, bro. Gender reveal.
Ang pangalan ay Frankie dahil favorite niya ang
Frankies.
Para akong may ano. I have butterflies. I ate butterflies today. Hey guys, it's the delivery day or the pickup day dito sa Pilipinas for our newest car. Newest Tesla. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Di ba naalala nyo, yung tayo rin yung magkakasama nung last time?
Sila good.
Nung pumunta tayo nung December, tapos sabi natin, check lang natin. Tapos nung chinek natin, gustuhan natin. So, pa-reserve na tayo. Wow! 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 It's nice. Okay, so medyo madami lang dito. So, I think ito lang yung mga, ayusin lang yung papers. Then, after nun, pag-pick up na, video ulit tayo. Hey guys, so andito na tayo ngayon sa Tesla Delivery Center. And hinintay ko lang tawagin yung pangalan ko. Tapos I think we're gonna sign some documents and then we're gonna, you know, see the car. And I'm ready to pick it up. Honestly, nakabahan ako. Parang, ito ata yung pinaka-first ever car na nakapangalan sa akin. So this is my first kind of like baby and it's one of my dream cars din. I'm a big believer of Tesla and how amazing the car is, and I cannot wait to share it with you guys. But honestly, kinakabahan ako. Para akong iba yung kabog sa dibdib.
Saan si tita pupunta yung music?
Oo nga, asa yung manay ko? Bina-message ko nga eh.
Wala nang ganun.
Ay, wala.
So ito yung lumang version ng Model Y.
Ikaw, ano gusto mong pangalan?
Something parang quick or speed or parang
Fast.
kasi para siyang
Ako pa tinanong.
para siyang manifest
Na.
bigla. Lightning McQueen. Pwede. Ka-chow. Ko alam. I need a cool name for it. So kasi ang pangalan nung Rimowa namin, si Riri saka si Momo.
Kasi
So, Rimowa. So etong
pangalan ng fiddle plant namin, Fifi.
so ngayon si Tesla, si Lala.
Hindi mo na-gets.
Si Tete. Tete ito si Lala. So, inspect ko muna bago ko i-accept. Pero, oh my gosh, this is so nice.
Is this for real? Is this mine? Di, ba't ka lumuluhod?
Wait lang.
Ito yung upuan ni
Oh my
Aaron.
gosh, ang lawak!
Look at that. So amazing. I've watched too much Tesla videos.
Yes,
For
to
this
see.
moment.
Check natin to. Wow!
Yeah.
This is so clean.
Tignan mo yung gulong. Sobrang ganda.
Ayan, para siyang may cover. Tapos nag-auto lock siya. So,
Babe, ito ano to? Camera? Oh, damn.
Woohoo! Mula ho.
Pwede mo papatayin ng mali.
Bumaba siya pag open.
Mag-on siya
Pero pag
mag-isa.
mag-lock.
oh my gosh. Totoo ba? Okay, here. Welcome to the Tesla family. Yes! Pwede maglagay dito ng ice, beer. Pwede tayo maglagay ng mga drinks. Tapos camping. Oh my gosh, this is so nice.
You can accept through the app. So we can set up.
Okay. Okay.
Everything is through the app.
Everything is through the app.
Yep.
Everything is through the
Then
app.
every time na alis kayo, nag-lock siya ng puso.
Maglalak siya mag-isa.
Ayan, makikita mo. Oh my gosh, that's so cool.
So emergency sir, triangle.
Okay.
You have to remove that and then pull mo lang yung yellow. In case of emergency, nasa loob ka, nilobot si car.
Okay.
Then we'll teach you the basic on how to operate the car and then everything else is nasa manual. Nasa iPad mo na. Inside. Go inside.
Okay. Alright.
Sir,
Yes.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
Then you have
Alright,
key
sige.
cards, sir.
Ito. Key cards. Naka-program na ba ito agad? Hindi pa.
Yan, naka-program na yan.
Oh, wow.
Para lang
Shabol.
siyang credit card.
Okay.
how
So, ito
many
siya.
cards?
May key cards na kasama. Dalawa. Oh! Look at that. Jawa, it's yours. Okay. Pasok ka.
Shisha ball!
Okay, parang ang daming gagawin. So, ang sabi nila is hindi naman na daw kailangan nito kasi basta may app ka. So,
Yeah, pero dapat nasa wallet.
dapat ito nasa wallet to palagi. Ang ganda ng glass! First time ko hawakan.
Games.
Wow!
Pwede ka maglaro.
Grabe!
Pwede.
May autopilot na rin to, so kaya niya mag-drive mag-isa.
Binili mo ba yung may autopilot?
Oo. So, manonood mo tayong manual.
Tutorial.
Kasi hindi namin alam.
Tutorial sa'yo.
Okay, ito ang high beam. Sorry, kuya.
Sorry.
Ito ang wiper. Ganun ang reverse.
Bawal ang driving school dito.
Wala akong cambio. Let's go. Dito yung hazard sa taas. It is wild. That is so good. Oh my God! Let's go.
Go!
Pogi, man.
Baby, parking to.
Pag hinatak mo sa expressway ito, malala.
Iba talaga yung feel ng electric. Yun na nininibago ako sa driving
Kaya
niya.
kailangan mo muna ikot. It's not tinted. Nakakahiya.
Ang lakas ng brake niya.
Kahit yung bitaw lang?
Ng half brake. Pag binibitawan ko, kumakapit yung brake. Eh, no? So, kailangan hindi...
So gradual din yung pag-release mo?
Oo, pag-release.
Yan, ikaw yan? Ikaw yan?
Yan o, auto-stop siya.
Paano po sir yung...
Kita dito na, sa maps. Doon kaya tayo sa may pa UV BGC para mag-picture lang tayo.
Sige. Doon tayo sa UBBGC. Pwede, diretso.
Wild! Kita mo, baby! Oh, laki ng...
Kaya nga.
Ang pogi ng gray. Oh my gosh. That looks nice. That's crazy, bro. Quick kwento lang. Kasi naalala ko ng 2021 na isa sa mga goals ko talaga noon was to buy a Honda Civic. First time ko kumikita na ng pera noon. So sabi ko, I wanted a Honda Civic. But then, na-scam ako. And then I realized that there are some plans that are really not meant to happen. And that some plans na gusto natin for ourselves are not the things na matatanggap talaga natin because God has a better plan. And so for me, here we are. Ayaw niya pala ng Honda Civic. Gusto niya Tesla. And happy lang ako kasi like ever since I really followed Jesus, I really made sure that in everything that I do, I lift it up all to Him. Even the things that I wanted, even the things that I desire, nung sinabi ko na, Lord, like, help me achieve all of these things and I will never get tired of shouting of your abundance, of your grace. And ever since nun, binibless niya talaga ako ng sobra-sobra. So, everything that I have right now, like even this one, all you, God, all you. All you, Lord. And this is just the beginning, but hopefully, kung kayo din, meron kayong mga ina-aspire or meron kayong mga gustong makuha sa buhay, isurrender nyo kay Lord, put in the work, trust the process, and makakayanan nyo talaga. Peace. Let's go. Time to unbox. Okay. Let's remove. Wow! Yun. Okay? So, tanggalin na natin to. Meron na rin siyang kasamang mat, which is nice.
Wala, nasira ko.
Then, for this one... Ayun! Natatanggal siya.
Ilaw.
Yes, may ilaw siya. Wow! That's clear as fudge!
Wow.
Grabe! Let's go! Uwi na natin to. Thank you, Lord. So, ganun lang yung process, guys. So, basically, ganun lang yung nangyari. Pagkapunta namin doon, ina-expect naman na nila yung oras ng pagpunta ko. 4:30 on the dot. 4:30, tinawag ako. I signed some documents. Everything's okay na naman. They just asked for my ID. Of course, pinakita ko yung driver's license ko. Hindi naman kailangan driver's license, pero okay din kasi magdadrive din ako. Then after nun, ni-register na namin through the app yung car. Once na match ko siya, chinek ko lang yung surroundings, if wala namang mga scratches, dents, bumps, mga gaps, okay naman siya. And then, medyo may konting explanation, nanood kami ng video, and then after that, took it for the test drive, and we're out, we're here. And yeah, that is our pickup day. I think that's it. I'm just really grateful, and really excited to have this. Grateful for all the support, all the love, and of course, grateful to God na patuloy yung blessings binibigay na ganito. So hopefully, next time, mga empleyado ko naman yung mabigyan ko ng Tesla. Ay! That's what I want. Share the abundance to a lot of people. So now it's time to go home. And I'll do another video maybe of like things I like with my new Tesla. And maybe like a 1 month in kind of review for it. But this is the delivery day, the pickup day. And we're ready to go. Tara, uwi na tayo.